Everybody, welcome to week two, day two of obtaining a $30,000 payout. Right now, uh, I hope I hope I don't sound sick. I feel like I sound sick. It's whatever. But right now, all we have cooking up right now is data wick highs and data lows. Waiting for one of these to be taken out. We already took out London highs on both of these indexes, but I don't think it's not calling for much reaction. So we're just gonna wait for a new draw on liquidity to be taken out on both of these. I already took out these hourly highs right here. If we take out the hourly highs, we take out data wick lows and then go up higher. And there's great draws lower and higher for both of these, but like we're not moving enough for us to be able to, formulate any type of real bias here. We have first presented fair value gap right here on the 5 minute actually, that we're starting to reject on ES, but it's just not a pretty setup, so I'm definitely gonna fade it. Definitely gonna fade this one. And we'll see how we react after we take one of these lows or highs. So I'll come back to y'all when I take my first trade. About getting short here because I see that ES already took out these data highs. NQ looks extremely bearish to the downside. We already took out data highs over here. Now mark it out. We took out data highs right here. So we took that out early. So technically the draw for data highs is almost irrelevant. Almost. But, I'm just kind of analyzing. We did inverse this 2 minute. I would definitely love to see us make a clear sweep of these hourly highs right here. But the way ES is looking so great to the downside, I'm thinking that this trade might just go early. ES is looking extremely bearish. Extremely bearish. But, just to slow it down, just to slow the charts down a little bit, we do have SMT out of these lows, which could give us the push to the upside that we need. To take out these data highs and then actually return lower. But overall, that's what I'm expecting. But we did disrespect this 2 minute draw right here, or this 2 minute bullish PD array. So yeah, it's a little bit of a difficult spot because I really love the shorts here. But, I don't really love the idea of longing against these relative equal highs here, or shorting against these relative equal highs. But it's almost like it gives me no option that we might come down here, at least take out this draw lower, and then continue higher. Do have a really clean inverse right here. Some volume coming out of there. We're getting short.
Order filled.
We have to. We're going to sell, so we need to buy. Stop loss needs to go to 2,350, which is what we're at. Take profit needs to go at 2,5903. 2, 5, 903.50. So we're gonna sell. So we need to buy back. Break-even point is gonna be here. Have some nice draws lower, but you know. Have a lot of draws lower. NQES is looking extremely bearish. I like a setup. 2-minute inverse. A beautiful closure out of that 2-minute inverse. Just got to see a continuation here. ES looks so good. Yes, ES just looks so good. Nope. Just go hit break even. Let's go hit break even first. And then do that bull crap. What is up with this volume on this bar right here, bro? Holy crap. This is crazy volume here, bro. Like a complete engulfing candle. Damn near complete engulfing candle. Yes, his pullback was not this violent, which still gives me a smither of hope. Just obviously hoping we can continue to see, this volume to the downside. ES still looks so good, so break even point is still this low right here. If ES can hit data lows, then only thing that I don't like is the fact that usually when I target data lows, I typically only target the body wick. I typically only target the wick, or not the wick, but the data body low. I usually only target the body low and never the actual wick. A lot of the times I'll see it not get filled. A lot of the times I'll see data wicks not get filled. Even though we do have, these nice draws lower. We do have a lot of nice draws lower. It's just sometimes it doesn't fully get taken out. And right now isn't one of those times we need to see that. We need to see it get totally swept here. I don't think I have my thing on. All right, so we got a nice 1 minute closure on ES. Just need to see this flip down. If we can get a rebreak of these lows right here, we should be okay. At least for NQ to see just a tad bit of volume to the downside. Come on, man. Just break lower. Jeez, bro. Nobody got all day to be sitting around here, bro. Give me my money that I was deserved yesterday. Where the trade copier wanted to frick up. Should be up. Freaking 5K for the week already, man. Just give me the W. Let's just keep it rolling. Keep it pushing, bro. Just keep going. Yes, looks okay. Starting to definitely get that break lower though. Just keep going lower, bro. Just keep on. I'll make a biddy say, hey, goodbye. Man. We really need ES to just have some, pick up some volume here for real. Need ES to pick up some volume. There we go. Drag us down, ES. Drag us down. Drag us. Pull us to the dirt. Pull us to the dirt, man. Pull us to the dirt, ES. 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 ES, do it for me, bro. You're right there. Excuse me. Here we go. All right. We have hit break even. Finally. Yes.
Order filled.
And we're full out there. There we go, boys. There we go. Beautiful. Beautiful. Beautiful, man. So happy. So happy we're done. $4,000 on the day. Secured. Let's go. What a great setup, fellas. Very simple trade. Not really. But we did it. But it's done. Very happy. Okay, let's do a little bit of a trade recap because this is one of the best trading days we've had ever, right? And I only say that not because we caught the win, but I say that because recently I have been moving my take profit for better potential gains. I have been that's really it. Just moving my take profit, right? Just not setting this take profit and leaving the take profit to go. I would, maybe we can get 1.3R out of this, 1.2R. No, sir. The reason why we have a high win rate is because we go for those base hits, not because we're going for home runs, right? And I got to remember that. And I'm happy with myself today that we simply took this trade. We didn't move the stop loss. We didn't move the take profit. And we just simply let it operate, right? We just simply let it operate and let it do what it's going to do. Overall, jaw has been hit. Data lows have been taken out. ES did his thug dizzle. NQ did his thug dizzle. I'm happy with everything. And that was the end of week 2, volume 2. We're working towards this payout, man. So let's check the balance of all these accounts. Right now, everything is back to break even. So anything from this point is real money we working with, right? So as you guys know, first 2 weeks, we were down about $500 and $1,000 on my leader account. And we have worked our way out of that because I just started saying fuck it and upping risk. I can't be scared to lose these accounts because that's what's going to make me stay on these accounts forever, right? So we're working towards this payout, boys. I appreciate y'all. Anybody who's watching this video to the end, everybody who's tapped into the videos, I appreciate all of y'all. It's going to the top, bro. I'm telling y'all, bro. Y'all gonna watch me, bro. Last challenge, it took me a month. This challenge is gonna take me however long it takes, bro. But you guys will see firsthand on how I get to where I'm gonna be at in the next year, bro. This year, I'm coming different, bro. We're doing things different. I'm yapping. I'll see y'all boys later.